Let's unbox this mirror. It came nicely packed with styrofoam all the way around it. I'm really loving that. It's nice and secure and it has a plastic on top. And the mirror feels nice and sturdy in my hand. I think it's MDF wood, so it's nice and sturdy. And I'm going to measure it, but first let's take a look at these diamond gems. These are so beautiful, especially when the light is touching them. I'm gonna place this mirror in my bathroom and you'll see how it looks. So the mirror from one end, it's irregular, the shape is irregular. So I'm measuring the larger end and it measures 20 inches. And the thickness of the wood is about 5/8 inches, plus the mirror, it's about 3/4 inches. And here's how the mirror looks on the wall in this small bathroom. It's only 20 inches and it fits perfectly in this half bathroom. I really love the irregular shape and how elegant it makes the space look.